If someone wants to be in the field of nutrition today, they would be best to be open to new ideas because nutrition is an evolving science. It would be good to respect dedicated people in the field, speak openly, have conferences like this, bringing speakers with diverse opinions together to share their ideas. You would think that there would be strong promotion of organic and sustainable agriculture, address the obesity epidemic, childhood diabetes, and at least have discussion about requiring labeling for genetically modified foods. And you wouldn't really think that the people who are promoting health would be subsidizing sugar, corn, dairy, and meat and soy industries. Being an evolving science, the challenge is that people have opinions that are diametrically opposed to each other. In all other science, there are facts. Speed of light is 670 million miles per hour. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is 93 million miles. Water is H2O, 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. And the heart beats at 72 times per minute. But in nutrition, there are major gaps. People always question, is organic healthier for you? Is it the same as commercial? Is dairy good for you? Does it build strong bones? Or does it create mucus and indigestion? Is meat good for you and build strong football players? Or is meat cause cancer, make you sick? It's not like they're sort of similar ideas. They're complete opposite ways of thinking, and there is no science that is anywhere close to this. In science, people agree. In nutrition, people could not disagree more. Many people say they can tell you exactly what you should be eating. This is called modern nutrition. You should be vegan. You should be on the paleo diet. Have you heard those before? Have you said those before? On the other end of the spectrum, there are people who are like, what's not healthy about dairy? If tap water wasn't good for me, why would the government have it coming out of my tap? High fructose corn syrup is natural. It's made from corn. At Integrated Nutrition, we focus on bio-individuality. One person's food is another person's poison. There is no theory that's the right theory for you. It's you finding what works for you, and what worked for you yesterday may not work for you tomorrow. What works for you on Monday may not work for you on the weekend. What works for a young person may not work for an older person. And have you noticed that men and women eat pretty differently? Into all this confusion enters our federal government. Like they don't have enough problems of their own. They want to get involved with telling people what they should be eating, what's good for you, what's not good for you. And hey, I have an idea. Let's subsidize all these foods and make them really inexpensive, but we're not going to subsidize apples and carrots and those kinds of things. In 1999, Dr. Neil Barnard successfully sued the USDA, the Department of Health and Human Services, and the Dietary Guidelines Advisory Committee, showing that all members of the board that designed the USDA Healthy Eating Pyramid had ties to the meat, dairy, egg marketing industry.